to my room. So we're at the Shrewsbury Mercure, and this is a privileged room. So as soon as you come in, first thing that hits you is the space. There's so much space in this room.
Can't go far enough back to...
The ceiling height as well.
Oh yeah.
I'm 6'5".
You can jump up and down.
And with my stretched arms out, as well, I don't think I could even touch the ceiling if
No.
I jumped. It's so high. Got a wardrobe here with safe, iron. So if you need to iron something.
Oh yeah, the iron's there. And the safes.
Yeah.
See how big it is? It's quite small. We might be able to get some laptops in, I guess.
And some robes here. We can use those to go to down to the spa.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
And then in here's the bathroom.
Got some nice light fittings. Look quite new.
Rainfall shower.
Wow.
Separate bath unit. Very tastefully done. Nice.
I don't know if you can see from the screen, but it's actually quite big if I go backwards.
Big. Again, I've got 2 metre arm span, so it's literally massive.
Mm.
And then here got the body wash that they use, Elemental Herbology. It smells nice because we had it last time, didn't we?
Yeah.
But
We got some on the wall as well.
Towels are alright, they're fine. And through here, then you've got a desk if you want to do some work. A coffee maker, I didn't notice that.
Mm.
So it's an espresso coffee.
We'll be needing that.
Yeah, we'll be needing that 'cause we're a bit tired, aren't we?
Hmm.
And then I think it's a super king size bed because it's 2 singles put
Yeah.
together, isn't it?
If we lie down, you can tell.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it comfortable?
It's massive, really comfy, yeah, really comfy. And then a massive TV, well, a massive big TV, normal big sort of TV.
Yeah.
And they left us some lovely chocolates, didn't they?
So inside the mini bar, I've got a few bottles of water, some Coke, which I assume are complimentary, and then tea making facilities as well. A little bit of cupboard space.
There's biscuits inside here as well.
Oh.
And a settee as well, so you can sit and watch TV there. But I think it's got quite a nice view out here that's the lake.
Oh wow.
It's got a lake view.
Don't know if you can open these. Can you open?
This is why it's open, but there's a lake there, the boathouse, and then the grass and some trees. You look out this way, it's even better, the view this way, John. You can see it even nicer.
It's nice that it's got 2 windows.
Oh, the breeze is nice coming through. All you can hear, if you listen, is bird song and running water. And you can see the steps of the lake just there, and a little summer house. It's such a beautiful day. Look at that blue sky. So lucky. And you can see the front of the hotel over there, like the old part of the hotel. We're in a sort of modern built part, but it's really nice. Reflecting back on our stay here, just really enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yeah, we managed to use the spa.
Yeah.
We've eaten in the restaurant both nights, which you'll have seen.
The spa was great, wasn't it, actually?
Yeah.
It was everything we hoped for, really. It's got an ice room and then the steam room. And we just were so relaxed last night because of the spa.
Yeah.
It really chilled us out, isn't it?
Yeah. We've had 2 nice meals as well, and the breakfast was good as well. So I put some clips in here of the breakfast.
The food's been really great here, hasn't it?
Yeah. It's better than you'd expect at most hotels, I think.
Yeah, it does. We quite like food, and it's been really good.
And the grounds are really nice as well.
Yeah, we had a little walk around the grounds, and it's such a nice location, isn't it? Because you're not right in the centre of Shrewsbury, but you're not really miles and miles away either. It's quite close.
Yeah, quite close to nature. So if you like that in the mornings with the windows open, you get to hear nature as well.
I'd say it's a really good base if you want to explore the area as well, because you're kind of quite close to other places as well, aren't you?
So I hope you enjoyed this review. If you want to see any more, have a look on our playlist of room tours.
Yeah, and if you have any questions about the hotel, put them in the comments below. Like and subscribe, because it helps. We make more videos and more content like this.